Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC-14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides
To be comfortable, you need an efficient way to control your temperature. SereneLife's portable air conditioners with built-in heaters are your solution to staying comfortable when the outside temperatures fluctuate. Its sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling and heating system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, heat, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the window seal, attach the durable, flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your whole home to get the perfect temperature for optimal sleep. When the birds fly south, you can stay cozy with built-in heater mode. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set temperatures to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner and heater by SereneLife.